Good morning, guys. As you can see, our room is completely empty and we packed our bags. We are going to check out right now and then we're gonna go to the airport. We're gonna go to the south of Thailand, to Phuket, which is gonna be beach, sun, very nice. And honestly, we had such a wonderful stay here. Raya Heritage is definitely one of my favorite hotels I stayed in, and it's just, the food is amazing, the rooms are really great. So if you need a little tip, if you go to Chiang Mai, definitely check this out. Babe, I think we kind of need to run, no? So that was again quite a travel. No, actually it was not that bad. It was only like 2 hours, but we finally made it, and I saw already like a super pretty sunset on the beach. It looked really pretty. The lighting is amazing here. Oh, you need passport? So Max is going to do the check-in and I'm going to chill. I think tonight we're gonna do very easy, maybe like a dinner in a hotel or something, and then maybe tomorrow explore a little bit. We're staying a little bit outside of the city, so we have to look yeah, all the things we can do around here. Apparently I've been here in Phuket before. I totally forgot. My mom just mentioned it a couple days ago. Anyway, yeah, we are gonna settle in here. Good morning. So we made it. Yeah, so last night we just got settled and then just woke up, had breakfast, and I think we're gonna head to the beach right now. Oh yeah, this bikini I bought last year at Aerie. Ta-da! Honestly, they have such good swimwear. It's one of my favorite swimwear brands. I get a lot of people asking me about where I buy bikinis and stuff, so there you have a lot of affordable and nice stuff. So yeah, we're gonna head to the beach, and I hope I can vlog some stuff around here because we're literally just gonna chill. Oh, actually, I will show you guys some other bikinis I brought. This is like, there we go. This is a solid and striped bathing suit. I'm not gonna wear it now because I want to get tan. This is also solid and striped, and this is super cute because this is like a high-rise bikini. And this one I really like. It's super cute with this bottom. And this one I actually bought at Target. Super cute. Let's go to the beach. Always waiting for Max.
5 minutes later.
Like a girl. So, oh my god, I can't even open my eyes. Ready to swim. We finished our evening swim and we took like a shower. And it's really nice, even though it's like evening, the water is still super warm and even outside. So I'm getting ready for dinner. And this is a look by Zimmerman. It is so pretty, this top. And it has like this huge long pants. Anyway, I also did a tiny bit of makeup. We're just gonna go in the hotel, so I'm not gonna do it too much. Let me see, this needs a little jewelry. And I am ready for tonight. This is the full look. Wait, is this way?
Oh my god, you're an alcoholic.
Good morning, guys. Today is going to be our last day in Phuket and packed all our bags. We just oh no, we have to check out, so we're gonna go to the reception and check out, and our flight is not until tonight, so we are just gonna hang out today a little bit. I'm actually going to film a healthy recipe with one of the chefs here, which is going to be very nice, so stay tuned for that video. And yeah, and who am I waiting again? Sexy! No, there he is. So yeah, that is going to be our day, and then tonight we're gonna fly back to Bangkok and have a couple of days over there. Huh? Oh yeah, we should not forget this one, like I did. Thank God I have you on my travels, otherwise I would lose my stuff. Exactly.
Did you leave anything? No? Oh.
Phone, check. Camera, check. Passport, check.
No, wait, mine's empty too.